eto nyumi ni nyumu meti arapa daga tiyo dako ni magi guko mabe machalo malaika me polo irwara arapa pero bola keri tigi digi di inda baba
ka ini nyumu daga arapa no baleti kwene
Wow.
Inyumu ba
Iyo.
Chida bera temo penyu wene no mir ke kwang giru gang kay nyum dago kay nyum dago kay giru gang donc tij ba antiga tiune ni la bole ko ma meni ni tij we Kampala tij wek in nong chenne marome wi lo ngam giru gang romateri lugi kar
Kidong en nyom men be mer chene.
ki en nyum mer chenne Apo de twala juli tame be television yob ma det me ket mon ke choy ket ma kar diju wadugu chen edition mukane ma pigi tego nya Wilfred Kafi watie kanywa ko lok ma pigi tego bat ma pere det ma kar diju yewe ko mini with lok mukane pigi tego ma chel tame be television tie ki studio me recording man vibe record ma tie bass pack donc iraw bire yobu we ni ka chel kwedwa kidong bene welo tima be lutien kwan magitiga mero puonye me timo production bot audio ka chegi video duju wa jologi kwan na machine madiga work ping igo chim bot manager we ko mini la gam ikom la pen manok makwa ko ket me puonye kar en machalo buru iket me creating content per tacto twal pe bere ko no studio me vibe record tie kidong bene tame be television tie me konyo in were ngene ikabir ma pat pemer bana ke ken wan tim bia char me konyo we kwa chat will ka chil query advertisement iket me ni will nyo chat me ini charogi I tuak pe ma pat ma chero tami be television wa konyo in irwa ma por tikina ma chima chel mero we ko bet me kon bot in a tiki Susan Diamond ket me kar du po itini man pengo
Ti ala style ibola.
ngore bola apo
Foi ti ni ka.
ade ma be
Well, foi ti ni caro.
Caro?
It is smart by the way. Actually when mom me ngada ma to na football.
So ide mi atu ara.
Ti nen ma be ti munya. Ami on dox foj bon
no,
madam.
No, ana beru lengwi.
Ti na gok Dakar. It is smart by the way, it is smart.
Okay.
Yeah.
So madam amore picarci koma.
Ami do chulo wa. Me advertising wa kadang ngi ni tigi madam.
Okay.
Yes.
Barako.
Alors, ça foi de toi. In me tika nano. Ayup ket mon ke chonya Susan Diamond ke tapola kare. Wanyo ha jima. Pierre tek toile. Wala gini mon ko ni ko kare topic ko mekba. Mi beta ma mi in the comment section.
Asu lokti a chelegan. Aberu gi kero me beru ka ngiyo jempa mo TikTok. Abi chomi lok ma dan ma diet pa mer wala tena cho ba dan ma diet ba tiga waju lok
Mayam koro
wi te waju lok mo cha tawni ka ma tem tor it lok dong lok ba be tor ket man ana me ien me ti nena wa ka kwan kare ke win lok ka nyiro mot ineno bene mot chi luoto ma tut ma chal dan ma wiyo kor yam keta en bene wiyo kor yam ni chi min wala gammi I comment section ping ka lok e oni rwate Macharo dano piano keli angol mo keli la po yuario yam chon ki kar man manyen ma wati yeni wa mer ni ini nen no ko mod chi lub loke dong loke ticket man
daga ngeni ini nyom meri nyom maleng ki nyom gang kiri bet no tiki ki chana di eto nyomi ni nyomu meti arapa daga tiyo dako ni magi guko mabe machalo malaika me polo irwara arapa pero bola keri tigi digi di inda baba ye chuli la tiana wubi me football kelo dako no ko yu or to ko ne tichen ka dong tako nungu wana mo pero chi dong kelo dako eno ni pe bola ni ino no iriat wa yin gidi in la baba ke bi keji ko ma in keji
asu winyu ka dana ma wiyo kor yamani waje ni in la ten na cho kai nen nyomu dago nyom meleng nyom magang che nyom meri ni timo gen no duju karma in food pay wilu ngomi pe geru oti utika kwoi arapa cho tiu gile meleng ni in no in twala meng pu in la baba in konyi pe in peria in dana ma wiu top in dana ma no lebe no duata
Yes.
en mete kon wajini ye chuli yam chan la tena cho wa ka kwan ni dong romoton gang mir in ka yubu togo di betie ka yubu togo ni ko neni pur por ni ker gwanna te ye ker go ka bi gi ngagi actually no pur cham kong gutie beri oti
Togo ni miro be.
togo ni beno be betie ka dong in dong donc neni in pore me ker dago ci dong aber ka luru lokki ka kama mi ya luri ye na ber ka nene angol ma wani yam john uno kiti mu ket mano ci da nene ikin kar di kono bien ma chel no karo keni ngata diga koi boma nyoy town nyoy boping nyoy kampala po jer kun ka bere
They teach.
u cher kunu ki teach donc teach ba entiga tiune ni la bole ko ma me ni te teach we kampala teach wek in nong chenne marome wi lo ngam gedo gang romoteri lu ki kare ci dong
Ki dong en nyom men be mero chene.
ki en nyom mer chenne ci da bere temo penyi we no mir ke ko gedo gang kay nyom dako ke nyom dako kay gedo gang kita temo berkata por ke lok pala dieti metem kilo ka gwok nyang mo ti ye piera mer nyang ka kwene ki kome ma balti ye ka ini nyomu dako
Arapa.
yo arapa
Okay.
e gina no ana mer nyang ye matutu twali ka ini nyomu dako arapa no baleti kwene
Wow.
inyomu ba
Yo, I wish ni gong no one nong le dirty. But cheap idea can wakan. And then I work cho ko mi no side of what I'm analyzing. In your dan yang papat cafe. And then a video in pay again. Chairman and video in. And then I was like, the same madam is mistaking nyom. Kigwa. I don't know how to say it. Because the issue is in America ne bit konke kamoma ilu ni chaluga before itiu daho ni nyomo chabir katamuna no ni mono ten lokane kay nen ngati moni do kombe di gog do magiti be de oda pa mano go nyom nyom ni mi baba now when yang jimini when mero chene the good thing when ni mono that was kamo yang chone when en kiluini na tena we dong plan mo chana bien wi ni chikel daho no kon en piri keni ramchun keni of course kay yibuta go gangwa migi no dong until kela nyora cheni you someone who is mature like you're independent
yes
so nyeri titingu loke kelo way karwan eni ma wapango otiken kong bene sometimes is an achievement by the way
yes
piane
pangot
ti jomo kene ma pegidon pango
pagaram pa gada
Maka
boda baran
someone ngemon pa ipo agenda gawa
so gada dibedo
ngemoni ti pango mo beno wile tek by the way
tapa na mi
a
bi
decent art kombiti mara family mabe
yes
ramo cha gwa kali mia rio pia be chali mia dege chake malo now kange mo intika teach ti pango art cafe ana dai
medical man do ko nyomu daka
nyomu daka me po don chikwa
so ngare football la me ada no lo kanye pete nya wi
no
bara meta nyang pete nya wi gara meta nyang pien where be the point money ti yega kenya
and that's why anymore we just got a clip I wish we could access this guy come win come pop it metal like content creation maybe he had a point like to explain
And point ate mere tien wara yen wan yang.
No in la baba. So to him, very well, the biggest achievement is Gedu. Kitung Bada.
Yes.
Okay, Kibara is Gedu. Now, Kikata in there Gedi, and then you fail to marry. Like, you kill work daho. She don't dahin work care with pay, you work pier na below.
I get out of my deed, me million pier biggie, million mea chilgi.
She kill dahi.
Kill dahi, pepper again.
Walk on a loyo.
You walk on a loyo. No, I kiri dang amala me. Ngatu nyomu dako ti kere ora pa la ming bana ke ngatu geru ci po nyomu dako ne go dako lo.
Because coffee to me, I believe ni mono don is a way development is a process.
Yes.
Dano get taken in part. I can decide. You go into the coffee, you can decide. Kenyan gimoti manora chini go. Teach me long keni. E richako saving chene. Ita mne go kong inu ngati mo. Chala tawa mi kere wat. Kadi food pay nyom by the way.
Ene pedak bena ni ab.
O don ka chel. E ket gimoti madam, mara mo generating chene. Kong pi wadi an kong.
Ko raising chene ma.
Kong wani an gena chele mo. What it can reasons who can work dano nyomene by the way. It's not about getting madam time you can. Daho can give you an idea. Motik moment we put on your cherry. And that's why now Jamaican they grow better if they're together.
Yes.
Some men grow better can
Bena no ya da gena no mete eni. Ka inno dago. O mere o ta mu ka chel wa dongo yor. Gena wa dog game pa jomo ken pe don yor no pegitar tam ka chel. So dano no nyula choki dago ko kwanye mere kingi for their own reason. Maybe go petian lock mo ma don kon wan to ngeu ento kaw no ni kom loka de deni. Kadi ni kero dago ka pie nyomo. Mawun unia ikin uma be. Tam mawun karo kere o mere producing result barometer dani don don't tikine nyom geru tikine chulu ten kwan ki ko ma be me konyo community naro ento ka in Susan ida wachani anyo mudago e arapa
in la baba
ala ming ala baba ala vola mata anti jape no ati mera tem niang point pela dire mono te wajani ngo pien we po confusing chino kata ke waniang ni joma gunyomo ko wengi arapa ni gen lo ming matian lokati very genuine chino wa be yene da joma gunyomo
actually to make it was bolo kani wang lokon me on like no
yes
but now lo be ni
when you maga. And do you know the expenses of Nyomagang?
To me, I would think more this guy is just again is married. Like again is marriage.
Yes, could be. Piane bajal, Nyomagang bajal, kerulimi kum in, bolu nyuruni, no ter wigi chiane, diengwa kokere, engol dien pa, a ter boro. Piane mena guari o metian diang. Aya.
Ono kana guapo money and money wedding me charge, I would at some point agree piane wangeni mono. It costs a lot of money. Like take and get down there, don't go and walk or down and but when magang, you can understand. Nimono, in Yaram Lokulu Gangu, go the way again, a man food pay any more no tea like they accept. Enter man in it. To me, like a daba, water, Omera. No, local,
but gen mammer temukil ne chill ni caribed ni. Wan ma wa nyom magang ki nyom malengi wan lo me endo mir wa ngeni ma chel tien lok me nyom ti gen ma per tak food pian nyom u beru tutu wat e dog pajo pa dana rioni ki dong nyuto tieni i beru ka chel ki ngat moni wa gang i peu yenge ni wa gang i peu bale mano ini be chungo ni ret ka kema ke gwako gangi kone be pao arapa nyu be geru oti nyu be ko wi du te ka nyom tie ani gena pere
ki on bene kafi I think gena chen mal get be will get anymore one day and I want to take a lifespan na make well like iti don moi re chero in gwa iti le block la diete yo in ke chat do e window iti le block la diete yo fuderi chene ni kon do mere ti geri ya no da kare ti nyom and then go hala chen in your is unpredictable.
Yes.
Go failing.
Come what can ni?
failing pe no da pe la ten gumo ko timi ci taw no la wi mo be pe be we ba
ki kien ni ma be kong ma chel no chen te ka ta ino ko mi re bet me de gi beru
anyway gedo ti papa
wong la di ma de wa jo gedo ma me ni
yo
bien ina we by the way dak be pe ye chen ti ge chen ma ti jo mo ken ti ma i town kan ki te ko yo ara pa en de gang
no taw ko men ti
utogo ne tie bi ko la ru to lo utogo de tie mo lo ata ma be ma ka do ka char pe vuru wa ben en ki char kun chen ma tiu ma nok medical ara pa ne ben ti ki por gwan ne kun no en be vuru me wa ni ngere la men
exactly so anno tamati ni mo
because ana ti ki por gwan na ati ko orto na lo gang bat tie ti gwa an town donc pa ram rien ka kan ma cher wa pa de ka dugu piano gang bo che taw na pang ot gera bet ke town kan por gwan na tie ba utogo na be tie
in fut wen in la me
benu ila men
now ti gena chela mi na waj be ni mono
ja eno ila men ba
la tiete ni la diete in numero ngi kong ni ka di muti ka ne ana tia siti yo piano fudung ande be la ba menti wa ni ba ñu piano go premier gate and then jimi go chat ci rete o jimi ne petit mekano ana bi ko kay ni and then cafe ngewte kan get stu ni mon ini go da xam be no gi monti ci I want the reasons we can nail down kenana wo ci kay ni mo dano gi mo tam gi bet gi yo and then gi taw tam gi nong yo menya ken gi meti gi bet gi ko ma be
gi nong yo menya
ay yo menya do nya man nen may tam ni bene idong man ma lim go be ci ni ci get mo ni mala ni
nya no go ba di de
okay so what ma no yara ka take point ma be
ke can pay kill you ba be
you're not here to criticize
no mer ino ya kwanto di criticizing yet barwa mer wa neno mer ino kel maleng ni ka kwene ba baba ni bini yene mer ni
ya man ko ben ngema no nyome ti ara pa you already discouraging the person
do an ka to la meng mo ma ti ja pere ai nyongar mo ma ti ga mer nyomer pupo gero donc po be nyomo an ma ti ga chero
so
think like very odd but
when you come reasons get ten lo
think like very odd geru pay ino mo nyoma daw no burger gribe ta ba
ki do me ba cafe
yeah
in me bi no kan nyoma ni at least no ngew ni mono kerma ti mane ram tika mo me ram ka nyoye
yes of course no come out here
pe da ko ram nyomi cha pe gwa chingla rema and
en ti ko al rempe ye
so
ola tika mo ram pa
ne la cho mo ta me nyom
di ngeni ben by the way doc lo ka jer be ram cho ko twin mon mo kene ka mon ken way ti kere
mone
kala ka da mo la cho mo way mer nyomi da mo ram ka imo de ger mo no
it better
de ka ben ir bir mer ara waja mer nyomi ir da mo way mer nyomi
get that man
settle waja ber ya di pe ne ka da ger we ai ke nyom
get that man settle en ma peke ngom mo chaxa kenyu chaxo chax la chere nya what they go ko chene kuno you determine mon dire en
gere be ki chao ke ora loa no
but that's the main reason mo we ko dan ge be the art because o me no ngom nyo aketa ngoma ko nyikin me don and then abi oponge mo ni mo wachini mono take nen la cho matilo il bodda hone timuji mo in the open bodda hone la cho in retane be do terfol there's a way that man becomes strong
ya no daw be mi yer kar murawa bi chungenge le money waje ni
lo pa jal woni
behind any la cho mo ke can ma successful no daw o mer betting e kenya
no me na
ya no me na no be dak pa daw
me na che no me na ri ron daw
pour pas lo nying be kan
but she's a woman table baby because she oti each
apa ke lo ka ti wi Pierre ni de waja ni manage no team
kan on pegi wali ci do da xamone bo noy ni
ci inde de
your mother get back to you huh
ni inde de avoine na do
oh mama
good this language make you get me bar money da ma make a man
your mother is there me
mama na da is okay is all right ani ang but any mama na munwalo an very de dog pat dit pat ma pe kere lo
peke pat
pe
But let's agree in my mind at some point.
Not at some point. In all
Hindi
point.
pa halakapin.
Kekene
Hindi pa
akil in the
halakapin.
angle ma mir kawan yang ni. In
But
machari chugula
do you know
ngara
any
ni.
mano? Not all Chogulanget stand with you and has just come to break you. Pangyo kayo nung.
By the way, kinan in machari wati akwa query art machari choge dago. You fail to allow me to develop.
Na pe Chogulanget.
No, it is chugula ngara, but Arabi you to develop with someone outside.
And na pe Chogulanget.
And power chugula ngara.
Listen,
There's a woman miru bering a dog pala choma.
a woman is a born from
Pero beru bene dago manu iti kere art ya.
biblically.
Pero beru be dago manu iti kere art.
You don't know.
No dago.
So there's no need marrying.
No ku beru wa
It's
loka
like you're
nyomo.
prioritizing development than nyom.
Of course, what in a local development of piano cape ku bechane if dago
So
if
either way-
killer did the waje anyway. No, not in lokane. We need to focus on development, and someone should be there behind to allow me to develop.
You're supporting him.
Parie, ati nano there's a point mono and nata merokele. Pian if ni wamede kong development tell you. Tini awe. Wamede kong download make geru gini tell you. And you know we need
The
to
thing
focus
is-
on someone more can support me. And someone to support me if they are now failing to stand with me, we are done. There should be someone though.
Someone who ain't dakodo.
And they are but not chula ngara ko waye. Ita mon wang chula ngara.
Okay, the thing is,
Eh.
I can't know a point in it. To me, Dahma indicated, unless I combine in real sense, Dahma indicated. In a year, chocolate.
Of course, chula ngara.
Now, Kadong, pay a developing, and like pay a good ideas on where a door.
Full stick ber chula ngara. And my petty were Adam or ticket out, but tell a chocolate down.
So, how do you know
Chocolate.
chocolate?
Chula ngat petty and looking at a good development ya. Chula ngat deguni moticate out matella chocolate down. Finish.
Shani go, development.
Matia kill development, eh?
Any machinery can spare part.
Very money, can you? Any me coin moment and let support a mota. She always support me. And nanny and Katima Bay is good. Nanny. She always nanny Katima Bay.
Get that point, Cafe.
Of course. Piani, why do you think that Ermatica supporting Anki Walk where I dong? Petika badly bene, Petika para low to come and stay with me. You get the point?
Because already there's somebody there.
Penkanoni, go any adding her mowe. And there's a tactic and there's a way Monrom can even play games where the one so that he can replace, she can replace. You get the point? But and Petika par, but they are konya with all the support. Now, me a konyo, I think a dog better, get
You supporting Ian.
Of course, I think a supporting and we are talking about the support.
Chipping up Petty when the Ann Bapa me chocolate. I'm your damn supporting Ann.
Kubeja one we are talking about chocolate kiki look my gerugo.
Go.
But I know I'm looking at the perspective.
So in the no darmo when you get to. But in the big chocolate.
We are looking for a woman who can be behind a man.
This woman
To
is
make
already
a man
there.
successful.
Listen, this woman is already there.
But in Mati Oti, she cannot make me
She's a
successful.
mom because she's doing
Barry, I won't be a chocolate.
You just put a very sensitive topic out. I can give you my tea. The thing is, Cafe. You make a little chocolate is a woman have but and la payment away any more.
But in me at time, if Dagomati Oti, I call her chocolate garden, Petica were Anna a dog, Mirariamo.
Fellow, no, don't waste time with that.
Yes, you.
Any better gaming. Because this term will not apply to her, ni.
Let's say,
behind every successful man. Listen, that term will not apply to her, ni. Behind every successful man, there is a woman. No, don't think that
behind any successful man, there's a woman.
There's a woman.
Of course, that is the point. That any point what they look
at. Only don't not apply in your case. It will apply to the other one. I can't any.
Of course, it. Do you any come jam at the one?
So, any no calling or can you? That's the question.
Any conny matchel, Mariano Tiana. Where we put in Mariano Tiana.
So, in the
Konya.
In the factory.
Itia konya teach bukan material megang mango ma an any bene you're good at that point now. There's a point manu meaning in it down in the bene kunyi luwa ba ku tim responsibility mu kay ma ten but gora ti achi le ken wa ku puni gor pa da me or ti achi le ken ye she doesn't have the idea
will I benefit
to bring
from
a
that
development
idea
issues
mana in okay will I have that privilege to benefit
ina wa mon wati lo ko ngeni ko be jani da ma wati lo ko mani is a dagma
ina ne
da
ania
pe wo
te da mo be da
wi furtu ko maraj mon ko ti mon ma
c'est quoi
gina mul mon ma mul mon ma ber meri mor mon ma ngeni te ke la cho mio gina metani it's fine now
So
you love to stay with that kind of a woman and to get we ngija ye to come out with the idea ma can bring development we are talking about the development
so
ngata we pay all to that magnitude of tam ma development ni you cannot be modern oni bet kenyu tichidong mene ani you help in some of the other areas like nwaloteno
but will I benefit from that development
of course the development mati bironi mati ki bot da man mati support of course we benefiting why not they benefiting because and through that development mati ki wa ni kwon diga bino
no anangeo ni mono
petit chi indo mir penge that is
cheating.
Palacho.
That is cheating.
Menani development of biru. But I've been trying you for so many times ni kawa beru ping wanwa ko lok makiru down low and in you don't have any pariemo I cannot do that.
Tin yang ko beru.
Yeah. Pariemo ya.
Alors foi. E ko tama megi moni comment section. La lok pala dite eni amma wacha ko na nene. Itamni mono lok pala dite ma wachi ni mono. Kainen la cho monyo mudaho nyomo kota me nyomo mudaho ne either nyoma gang ni gwa kanicha enta futi orapa no la cho ila baba la ming la cho ina we petiu be khata mi comment section
gira mer ba det ba kar du ye veri tami mai mi comment section e be konyo me guide but ba det ma kar du ju kenen wo bitiu ki point ni a development must be there before nyom. She know we need to look for someone who can be behind a man, who can support a man to bring the development. Dago mo mirbetie. And dago mati gang enoma we ngichi. Pegi riemba. Pegi yero. Pegi actually pegi tabu to kenyo. Obed mer kenyo. Dago ne because ingen na to the level man don kadongi kage pimwi ina gang kinyangani we ngich ma pe ti we ruom money me kwetu ni la chone mono tika don yor kumani pinga erkenen daga ma wi kel tin la cho tu jigel na la cho nok tin ji ruon boy dok tin
to in cha
but it you get it but
whatever me apa me dem we
so the point is I'm a hard working man finish that point so
developing it daga mo na la kon mata
kona diga developing kila kwa mata
nyogwa ye hard working man
gina be daga dak kwa diga bino wa diga da tuoga tie ke supporting nga ngene do tie kwante kwan
nyoma
lokupe
gere ntie
ya lokupe
that is okay
si no na ne be cha lo
ko ina meri e ko nye ne awe
apa meri na meri wa yi lokapo ne wa ni aga be
so it's all one for the chat I kid one get you
what we got